Combustible gas detector or toxic gas detector modular design, easy to change detection types. Open detector cover by turning counterclockwise. Unplug the display cover upward. We can see the terminals on the motherboard. Let's start with the wiring operation. The detector terminal corresponds to the alarm. The cable goes through the detector wiring nut, connecting terminals and cables in sequence from left to right. Red is connected to 24 V, blue is grounded, yellow is connected to signal cable. The wiring of the control host corresponds to the detector. Insert the display board back into the corresponding position. Tighten the top cover of detector. Detector wiring is completed. Next, connect the alarm controller. Install waterproof fitting. The cable passes through the alarm host wiring port. Red 24 V, blue ground, yellow signal cable, corresponding to the detector connection. Test it. The controller should be reset after alarm.